with the sun going down in the west, we had to roll the shade down a little bit. We're gonna make us some chili cheese conies. Get these dogs on the grill and heat them up. A little country scenery there. Now a little hot dog and grilled scenery now. All them dogs are getting heated up pretty good now. Well, it looks like they're done, so we're gonna get them off of here and get them in the house. You notice that tongue technique there? Well, we got our hot dog and a little bit of onion there. Gonna put a little bit of relish on there. Then we'll add a little bit of chili. Get it on there and all well incorporated on top of that. Oh, that looks good. Now some cheese. This is gonna be some good eating. Hey, it's time to eat. Later. Just a little fun on our grill, cooking some hot dogs. Hey, these things tasted good. I like these every now and then. Just a little video enjoying the moment. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Hit that thumbs up. Thank you for watching.